Hello everyone. Now in this lesson we will work on our next program. Now this program is to linear search in an array. It is for linear searching of a content in an array. So here we have code to receive the contents of an array. We learned about that in our previous lesson. Now we will receive input into the array from the user. Now we also need to receive input of the number to be searched. So let us also make variable to receive input from the user. Cout enter number to be searched. Alright, now we need to receive that number. Okay, cin x. Alright. Now we'll have to start a for loop. We'll just copy this. Okay, now we'll use the conditional statement if. We learned about that in our earlier sections. If array equal to x, that is, this line will check each element of the array whether it is equal to the number in x. We had learned about our conditional statement, so you will be clear by now. Now equal to is the equality checking operator, so it will check whether the array element is equal to the value of x. Now if it is equal, then it will run this line of code, and that line of code will say element found. Alright, now we'll run and check this. Okay, we forgot the semicolon. Okay, we'll enter our array 1, 2, 16, 24, 82. Now we'll enter the number to be searched. Let it be 2. Okay, so element found is printed onto the screen, and now we know that the element is present in the array. Now this program uses all the concept we learned till now.